What's up guys, my name is Adam Fangman and I am a starting strength coach based in Seattle. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to squat with pain-free elbows. We like to teach the low bar back squat for a variety of reasons, but if you hold the bar with your arms and your elbows and your hands and your wrists rather than your shoulders, over time that tension and pressure and weight can create this nasty medial elbow pain that kind of radiates up the bicep and sometimes into the shoulders. And the only way to get rid of it is to change how you hold the bar. So in this video, I'm specifically going to show you where the bar needs to go, how to get it there, how to keep it there, and then we'll spend most of the video exploring strategies and techniques you can use to change your grip and how you hold the bar so that you can squat pain-free. Sound good? Let's do it. First, to figure out where to place the bar, reach over your shoulder and feel for the bony ridge that runs out from your back towards the edge of your deltoid. This is the spine of the scapula and the bar goes right underneath it, no lower than that. This will place it just below the traps in the middle of your posterior delts. Set your grip so that your middle finger touches between the score marks with your thumbs on top of the bar and the heel of your palms pressing into it, not under or on top. Use this grip width as a starting point and adjust from there. Your goal is to set your grip as narrow as possible to create a tight, bunched up shoulder shelf to carry the bar. Expect this to feel tight and uncomfortable in your shoulders. It will also require you to do some work to stretch the bar into position. If you do not have to push the bar into some tension in your shoulders, your grip is probably too wide. Narrow it and try getting under the bar again. If you had to work at it and stretch your tight bunched up shoulders to get the bar in position, you're doing it correctly. As you add weight, your shoulders will warm up and you'll be able to narrow your grip more and make a stronger platform to hold the bar. Now let's actually set it up. Come to the bar with your arms stretched out, place your grip, lean forward so your chest points to the floor at about a 45-degree angle, and use your legs to push yourself forward under the bar. As you come under, squeeze your shoulders together and pin your elbows to your sides. Keep actively squeezing your shoulders and elbows together like you're trying to hold the bar with your shoulder blades as you pin your elbows to your sides. This is critical to holding the bar with your shoulders and not your arms, which is what can cause elbow pain. Now that you know how to get the bar in place correctly, let's look at some common errors that might make that more difficult and lead to stubborn elbow pain. One error that gets overlooked but can make it more difficult to set the bar correctly is staying too upright as you get under the bar. The more effective way to place the bar is to set your grip, lean forward at the waist, and point your chest more at the floor at about a 45-degree angle, and use your legs to drive yourself forward under the bar until it's in the middle of your delts. The trick is to keep your chest pointed down as you do so. Use your legs to push the bar into the uprights of the rack to help stretch the bar into position. A more common error is to let your wrists flex or extend as you set the bar on your back. To counter this, actively flex or extend your wrists in opposition. Don't let the tension force your wrists to bend either way. Instead, focus on pushing your elbows and shoulder blades together behind you and intentionally stretching your pecs and pulling your shoulders together as you drive under the bar. If you still can't maintain a straight wrist after warming up and fighting to keep them straight, try wrapping your thumbs around the bar and letting your wrists extend. Doing this shortens your forearms and allows you to narrow the grip a little more and makes it easier to pin your elbows to your sides and squeeze your shoulders together. But you must intentionally squeeze harder to prevent the hands and wrists from bearing excessive weight. Try this technique if your shoulders are very tight. Do not stop squeezing your shoulders and elbows together once the bar is in place. This must be emphasized with the thumbs around grip because the bent wrist position risks bearing the actual weight of the bar rather than trapping it on the shoulder. You should continue to bench, but you may need to temporarily take some weight off the bar. The goal is to find a weight you can tolerate and work through discomfort with. The idea is to use the bench to make it heal and desensitize the pain through controlled exposure. So hopefully now you have some tips and tricks to try to squat without elbow pain. If you know someone who's struggling with this, send this video to them. If the pain persists, I'd suggest seeking out a certified starting strength coach. And again, my name is Adam Fangman, and thanks for watching.